So I'm gonna do a little quick video about the Target exclusive, USA exclusive RX-78 US American type. So there are quite a lot of these at Targets. You're gonna have to look around still and ask them. You can't don't really here. If you want to try to find them right now, don't ask about where they are. I want you to take a screen cap of that barcode and have them scan it for you, okay? At any US Target. And they'll, instead of asking them where the model kits are, because they're not going to know what you're talking about half the time, ask them to scan that, and then you'll be able to ask them to find them for you. So the big thing is, I'll show you, I snapped this together already. This is one of my extra ones. There's just sticker decal differences. It's a standard entry grade, nothing P Bandai-ish about it, but it is exclusive only to US Targets. Don't know if it's in Canada. Fairly certain this is the only one we're getting, which is really nice. So we're getting this exclusive, model kit out here. So I'll show you what's inside, and then I'll show you just it snapped together. It'll be a real quick video just to get ahead of this, and hopefully, you guys, like I said before, use the barcode that I showed you and go and have them scan it, and then they'll find out if they have any in stock in the back or in the front. So let's get to the inside of this, see what's going on. So I'm not going to show you the instruction of this beyond just they're just standard instructions for the entry grade with some of the details for the American setup. So before we go into the runners, let's just take a little quick look at the decals. All right, not bad. Few of the stripes, few of the stars, looks like about what we guessed. I wonder if they're going to come out with water slides for this in the future, probably. So keep an eye out for that. Looking where you get your third-party water slides from. But there we go, very nice. All right, decals, and then you can see all the color separation here, just from the regular standard entry grade. Some things are changed a little bit for the red, white, and blues. They look nice, just like every other entry grade color setup. If you haven't built any of these entry grades before, they're very nice, very simple, very easy to get together, and actually quite a lot of articulation, and just they're very fun to build for the simplicities. I can't wait to see what the next ones end up looking like. The what was it, the Strike, and I feel like Strike and Freedom? I don't know. I don't remember. I know it's Strike is one of them. So let's take a little look at that. Now these are everything you're going to already get, normal entry grade runners. Nothing extra, nothing special. The only special thing about this is the slightly change of colors there for the feet, shield, and some of the body components to give more of a red, white, and blue feel. And then the biggest change of everything is the decals. And that's really going to be what your biggest change is. So there you have it, the entry grade American type. Okay, so there it is, all built out, and just with these stickers applied. I went and changed the shoulder there. I put it on the back, but it's still very nice. The separation's always really nice on the head and face for the entry grades, where you can see the separation on the eyes. There's actually quite a few spots in there that they've had it separated, which is a little bit better than the high grade in certain cases, but seams are still not that great. Articulations, what you expect from entry grade. Not a lot, but they do a good standard pose. Super cheap, fun to build. And then there's just that's the America type, with the only additions is the colors, which is a really nice white, kind of a nice blend of the white and red. I might use that that with the blue down the road. Interesting decals. Very limited, very easy, very simple, but a lot of fun, and kind of nice that we finally have something, you know, a kit out here that's exclusive just to us, and you can pick up at a, you know, big box store. So go out and get them while you can. You know, just want to give you a quick look. I just picked this up today, so give you a quick look at what it looks like, what it comes in, and I'll do a couple close-up shots